Okay, back inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Lamang po na 16 ang Smart All-Stars laban sa ating PBA All-Stars 66-50. Magandang gabi po muli. Miko Alili kasama Jimmy Alapag at Jason Webb. Jimmy, the first quarter was close. It was just a 4-point game at the end of the first period. Ano nangyari nung second quarter? Why did the Smart All-Stars pull away?
Well, Kevin Durant, you know, he got the run. He got the run started. I believe he had a few fast break dunks. Then he had the back-to-back threes, and it really just made the Smart All-Star team get going offensively.
Kevin Durant, 11 points in the second quarter, nag-20 points at the end of the first. At nagulat nga tayo, Jason, ano? But, I mean, that just speaks volumes ng firepower, no? Ng yung angat, no? Sa galing ng ating mga bisita.
You know, unquestioned naman ang galing ng mga bisita natin. We have a couple of MVPs and obviously a couple of All-Stars as well. At nakita natin nung first quarter, feeling out period yan parang boxing. Hindi pa alam ng selection, ng Smart All-Star selection, as well as the PBA selection, kung may ano magiging timplada ng laro. But then, when the Durantula, nakuha niya na yung kailangan gawin, nag-init na siya kasama ni JaVale McGee. As we look at the halftime statistics, 3-point shooting Smart All-Stars actually 7 out of 15. And as you can see there, almost 50% ang tinila mula sa 3-point range. And the assist, they're sharing the ball. Remember, first time nila magsama-sama. Pero ngayon nandito sila sa Pilipinas, and the quality that they have amongst themselves, parang dati nila silang mag-teammate.
Ayan ang ating Metro Pacific halftime statistics, and ito ang ating Metro Pacific leading scorers.
In terms of scores, it's Kevin Durant with 20 points, JaVale McGee with 13, Derek Williams 9, James Harden 7, as well as Tyreek Evans. Ito si Kevin Durant at si JaVale McGee, kaya marami sila nag-shoot. Sila yung dalawang pinakamalalaking player on the floor all the time. And on the other side, for the PBA All-Stars, Arvin Santos had a good start, and the rest of the guys chipping in as well.
Well, Durant, unstoppable from Rainbow Country, and McGee unstoppable anywhere inside the Araneta Coliseum. Alright, let's send you guys over kay Magu Marzon para sa isang PLDT chat.
And we are with Derek Fisher for this PLDT chat. Derek, you guys pulled away late in that second quarter. What can you say of the quality of games the Filipinos are playing?
Well, they're playing hard. They're competing. You know, most importantly, I think everybody's having fun out there just playing a game of basketball.
How about the guard play? You've probably seen every kind of guard there is in the world. How do you like the guards in the Philippines?
Well, you know, the people here are it's a competitive spirit, you know, around the country. So I'm not surprised to play against guys that are competitive, and the guard play is good. There's some really good players here, and we're having fun. That's the main thing.
Thanks for your time. Good luck in the second half, man. Back to you, Miko.
Thanks, man. Magu, PLDT. Pati ako
Man, no? Kinamayan, ayaw naman siya kamayan, pinilit pa.
Alam mo, dapat sinabi ni Derek Fisher, okay yung mga gwardiya dito, parang ako. Puro wais.
Puro wais. Ang galing ng broad charge. Oo. Nagpapagpaguran lang ng konti.
Puro experience, ano? Puro utakan, Oh, Mrs. Pacquiao is in the house. Danica Pingris also part of our mammoth crowd. Itong malapit sa atin to. John Estrada kasama ang kanyang napakagandang may bahay. Michelle Madrigal, of course, Rufa Gutierrez. So, just some of the many celebrities in attendance. Senator Dick Gordon also in attendance tonight.
We've got an all-star cast on the floor. Pati yung nanonood sa
Oh,
atin,
in
all-star
the
pa rin.
crowd. Ay, of course. Former President Joseph Estrada, who is a huge basketball fan. I will let the pictures and the audio speak for itself. And JaVale McGee will get us started with that slam dunk sa pagsimula ng second half. It's still JaVale McGee. Jimmy, how do you solve the JaVale McGee conundrum?
I think he's going to be a problem for the rest of the second half here for the PBA All-Stars, but great combination here to start the second half with L.A. Tenorio and my teammate Jason Castro, two of the top point guards in the PBA today.
Para hindi mo naman sinapa yung pangalan mo doon sa top point guards ng PBA ngayon.
May tawag dyan. Humility. Chris Paul laban kay LA Tenorio sa pagsisimula ng second half. Paul here posting up LA. Chris Paul pumihit, nakalibre. That's the one thing about Chris Paul's game that is often overlooked. Ang lakas sa katawan yan. You know, pag pinanood mo siya in a game, akakalain mo parang lit lang. And here's Kobe Bryant. Castro. Nako, 22 na itong abante ng Smart All-Stars. And Arwin Santos played well in the first half.
It'd be interesting to see if Coach Shot would employ some trapping defense for them to come back in this game.
The MVP, Derrick Rose.
And look out.
Safe to say that the Smart All-Stars have already gotten their legs underneath them after the first quarter.
Ito may tanong ako. May tanong ako, guys. Wala ba jet lag tong mga to? Kasi Kevin Durant kakarating lang niya kaninang hapon.
Kanina umaga, oh.
You can't tell.
Gabe Norwood tumatake. Kobe Bryant all alone. Para kay JaVale McGee. And McGee, Ellie Tenorio trying to go for a preemptive foul. Pero di naramdaman ni McGee.
Medyas lang inabot ni LA.
79-56 lamang ang Smart All-Stars. Here's Tenorio zigzagging inside. And over to Jason Castro laban kay Rose. Castro goes in. Inabot ni JaVale McGee. And that's just unfair.
Talk about a last-minute replacement. Si JaVale McGee ko, eh.
Woo! Look out! Look out! Almost, but not quite. Para kay LA. And here's Pingris. Getting away with a traveling violation.
I think you saw JaVale in the middle again.
Norwood against Durant. Kevin Durant between the legs, pulling up. Oh, Norwood was all alone. Ayan, all alone, Norwood. Kobe Bryant wants the ball. Laban kay Pingris. Pingris, one of the best defenders in the PBA. Good defense by Pingris. And there's no defense na makakapigil doon. Here's Tenorio. To Norwood. Gabe Norwood fires. It's good.
Kahit nga saan tumingin dito sa Smart All-Stars, eh. Lahat gagawa ng puntos, eh.
Kick out pass. Chris Paul for three. Yes, sir.
Okay, interesting ito si Chris Paul. Yung storya ng pangalan niya. Diba? Tinatawag siya CP3. Yung buong pamilya niya pala, ganun ang mga tawagan. Yung daddy niya, CEP, yung kapatid niya. They all work with yung initials nila. Sa kanya lang naiba dahil kinabit niya yung number niya sa kanyang team.
Here's Durant. Chris Paul from the corner. Mahigit 7 minuto para titira dito sa third quarter. Here's Durant. Shot clock down to 8. Paul to Bryant. Here's Castro to Tenorio and Arwin Santos fires.
Arwin Santos.
Kobe from way out.
This is really open court basketball, mga kapatid, ha? Castro. Pingris posting up Kobe Bryant. Ay, ay, ay!
Gotta get credit para dito kay Mark Pingris, ha, yung lakas niya. Eh, at least napahirapan niya si Kobe sa poste. But this was the one earlier. Kobe, he's just being Kobe.
Didn't they say he had a knee problem?
Well, it's not a problem anymore. John Mark Pingris, kanina pinakita natin yung kanyang may bahay, no? Si Danica Soto Pingris. I'm sure it's quite an experience para sa kanilang mag-asawa. Same goes for the thousands, no? Dito sa loob ng Big Dome. One-on-one. Kobe Bryant against Pingris. Bryant. Whoops. That is just excellent defense by Pingris. Nataranta si Kobe.
I can see Mark Pingris' phone just going off the whole agents. Trying to get in touch with Mark Pingris so that he can play defense against Kobe Bryant.
86-66, lamang na po ang Smart All-Stars. Sa third quarter pa lamang tayo. And here's Durant in the backcourt. Here's steal by Cabagnut. Derrick Rose, Durant, McGee.
I think that's JaVale McGee's 8th or 9th dunk this game so far.
Actually, si JaVale McGee is one of those guys na kahit dun sa yung liga na nila, pwede siya mag-double digits in dunks.
Dunks pa lang yun.
Dunks lang yun. Bryant, look out!
Look out below. The MVP.
Oh! Arwin Santos answers back. It's Kobe Bryant against the Spider-Man. Who wins? Mamba wins.
The crowd is loving it right now.
Arwin Santos for three. And Bryant, natapik ni Ryan Reyes, napunta kay Chris Paul. Chris Paul. Here comes Cabagnut again. Come on, Alex, you can do it. You can do it.
Alex had the right idea.
Look out, look out. You get the women and children out of the way. We need this timeout. Titignan natin kung okay pa yung ring. Baka bumaloktot na po. Get the women and children out of the way. Kobe Bryant, Derrick Rose. I mean, how often can you say that? How often will you see that? From one MVP to another. Magbabalik po kami.
Tama. Alam na ng Martinez bukas ang gagawin nila.
On the floor for the PBA All-Stars, Ryan Reyes, kasama si Cabagnut, si Tos, si Intal at si Danny Siegel. Para sa Smart All-Stars, Derek Williams, who fires away, kasama si Kevin Durant, Derek Fisher, si James Harden at si Tyreek Evans.
Turnover.
At let's have this PLDT chat. Magu Marjon, who do you have for us?
Sitting here with CP3, Chris Paul. First of all, congratulations on that three-point contest. Any doubt in your mind that you would have lost that?
No, man. Me and James, we was shooting it here the other day. We was pretty confident that we was gonna win. It was close, but we pulled it out.
How are you liking the atmosphere, the electricity in this building?
Love it. It's amazing, man. Just the electricity in here, all us guys, we've been talking about it over here on the bench. We having so much fun, man. We're glad we had this opportunity to come over here and play.
Thanks for your time and good luck the rest of the way. Back to you, Miko.
Salamat Magu for that PLDT chat. Ayan, narinig niyo mula mismo kay Chris Paul. Sabi niya, enjoy na enjoy po sila rito. And here's James Harden. Oh, and James Harden. Guys, Nanay, there goes that man. There goes that man. Nanay, there goes that man. Kasi Philippine version. Oh, good fake, Sunny Toss.
Sunny Toss.
Mahigit 2 minuto na lamang ang natitira dito sa third quarter. Of course, kung tatanungin natin yung mga fans dito sa Big Dome, they hope this game will last forever. But they're hoping it will go to overtime. overtime pa siguro.
Meantime, having problems with the ball na agaw ni Derek Williams. Binasa Durant. Durant against Sunny Foss.
Ito naman si Sani.
Timeout, Smart All-Star.
Okay, 1:50 remaining here in the third. Timeout ang Smart All-Stars. Magkabalik po kami. Nagbabalik po kami sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ito po ay isang napakagandang Maynila 3-point shot mula kay Alex Cabandon. Let's swing back to live action. Under 2 minutes remaining dito sa third quarter. A strong move mula kay Ryan Reyes.
Foul on number 13, James Harden.
Fans really enjoying
Defense, Ryan Reyes.
the moments here. You know, just para lang maibahagi natin, ano, I mean, right before we went on the air, ang unang-unang player mula sa Smart All-Stars na lumabas from the South Gate, yung locker room area, was Derrick Rose. And the crowd went nuts. Siya pa yung unang-unang lumabas. Tapos pagkatapos sinundan si JaVale McGee. And the crowd just went nuts. Diba, Jimmy?
It was such a great thing to have an MVP hitting the floor first.
Siya yung unang-una eh. Siya yung unang-unang gusto mag-warm up. Says a lot, no? Yun yung tinatawag na MVP work ethic.
Oo. Siya yung unang lumabas, pero siya yung huling sumot. Kasi ang dami nagpapapicture sa kanya eh. Kaya hindi rin sila ano. And this was still shoot around. I mean, minutes before shoot around. Lumabas siya, naka-backpack lang.
Oo,
Tapos,
ano lang, labas siya, tapos parang ano lang siya, gusto lang niya mag-warm up, di ba? Here's Derek Williams. Oh, strong move para kay Derek Williams. I mean, of all the guys here, palagay ko si Derek Williams at talagang, wow, what is this experience? Diba? Sunny Toss escaping inside. Kung si CP3 nga, sinabi niya, siya'y namamangha, no, sa init, no, ng pagtanggap ng Filipino, ng mga Pilipino. Ano pa kaya si Derek Williams, no? Meantime, ito si Tyreek Evans pulling up, and that's good.
Right now, itong All-Stars natin, just doing whatever they want to do. Nasanay na sila dun sa atmosphere sa Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Oh, quick hands by Tyreek Evans. Good pass. Half time, Siegel.
Yeah, number 13.
107-78 para sa Smart All-Stars. We have one more quarter to go in this unforgettable experience. At ito po ang ating score sa pagtatapos ng quarter ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Fourth and final quarter, parating na po. Magandang gabi po mga kapatid. Ito po ang live coverage ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. One more quarter remaining in the game sa pagitan ng Smart All-Stars at PBA All-Stars. So, Tyreek Evans misses their first field goal ng fourth and final quarter para sa PBA selection. Sol Mercado, Raba Luceni, Gary David, Danny Siegel, and James Yap.
Scoring by quarters. Itong ating Smart All-Stars, floodgates just continue to get wider and wider. 30-30, tapos 36, tapos 41. Lalo silang nasasanay doon sa ringa natin.
Running stats brought to you by Metro Pacific Investments. For the Smart All-Stars on the floor, si Derek Fisher, JaVale McGee. What is that? Ano ba yan? 25th dunk?
All I know is after this Smart Ultimate Weekend, he is gonna get a bill mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum para ipagawa yung ring.
Okay.
I hope he knows we still need that basket for tomorrow.
Opo, may laro pa tayo bukas ha. Alauna naman ng hapon. It will be the Smart All-Stars laban sa Smart Gilas Bukas po yan, ang telecast po niyan will be at 5:30. We will try and confirm that, no? Yung laban bukas ng Smart Gilas and Smart All-Stars, delayed telecast 5:30. 5:30 po na nga po. Danny Zigo gets the first layup. Maganda rin experience for a guy like Danny, devoting his life sa kanyang PBA career, giving so much enjoyment to the fans, and parang kumbaga siya naman ngayon, a good personal experience for a guy like DS.
And of course, his move towards Air 21 really shaped that. Maybe if he was with his old team, maybe would not have that opportunity. Pero ito, pinaka-veteranong natitira, and one of those guys in the PBA, you might say, one of the best players not to ever win an MVP.
Without a doubt. Danny's had such a storied career here in the PBA, and he's almost had a rebirth with Air 21, showing that he can still get the job done.
Si Sol, talagang nahahanapan niya kung paano makakuha ng puntos, ha?
Scoring a three-pointer over Derek Fisher. Ito naman, Tyreek Evans. Nice move.
Yung iba hindi masyadong kilala si Tyreek Evans dahil hindi na napapanood gano. Pero ito yung sinasabi nila, yung parang LeBron James ang dating niya kasi all around the laro.
That was number 2.
One-time rookie of the year as well, Tyreek Evans.
Daming
Hindi ka naman pwede maging two-time rookie of the year.
Siyempre. Ang daming nanalo sa fantasy, ha? Rookie si Tyreek Evans dahil hindi inakala nung kinuha siya, ganun ang gagawin niya. Tapos nagpapanapa siya. Tapos nung kinuha ko siya the next, wala na, na-injury. Pero okay, I'm so happy to see him healthy, moving well. Okay yan. Sa ngayon po, meron po tayo 7 minuto na nalalabi dito sa fourth and final quarter.
Tyreek Evans as well as Lee Rose, both Memphis guys, college. Pero di natin sila kabutan na magkasunod sila.
Tyreek trying to connect with Derek Williams. Bola na kay Tyreek, shot clock down to 1.
Shot clock violation.
So the PBA All-Stars playing a bit of shutdown defense din. Napilitan ubusin ang shot clock ng Smart All-Stars. Here's Gary David on the move.
Nice finish.
Scoring over Javel McGee.
And the first guy to do that, to score over the outstretched arms of McGee.
Good pass.
Derek Williams.
The athleticism that the Smart All-Stars are showing here tonight, it's just a great treat for all the fans here. And here goes JaVale McGee again.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Look out below.
Here's Rabban Hussein. And it's turning out to be the JaVale McGee Ultimate All-Star Weekend.
This is great for all the fans here watching the game tonight.
Hindi pwede yun eh. Yung ginagawa ni JaVale McGee, it is against every rule in physics.
Eh kung against the rule yan, ang gawin ng PBA All-Star, i-protesta nila. I-protesta nila. Baka manalo pa sila sa protesta.
Hindi pwede yun eh. I mean, Jimmy, how tall is JaVale? What is he, 8 feet? What is he?
Maybe 8'2",
Look.
4'3".
He's not supposed to do this.
Ang maganda kasi kay McGee, yung pedigree niya, parehong magulang niya, player na
Oo,
professional.
totoo yan. Oh, no! Seven minutes remaining in a very surreal experience. Good tip in para kay Rabban Husseini.
You know, I think right now Coach Chot should be using his timeout just to stop the momentum of Smart All-Star.
Okay, timeout po.
Si Kobe na
Ayan.
nag-timeout.
Oh,
dahil
the playing coach, Kobe Bryant.
pakiramdam ni Kobe, hinahabol na sila. Kaya
Oh,
timeout na siya.
kailangan patayan ng momentum. 121-88. Magbabalik po kami. Bisita po natin sa free throw line si Derek Williams. Pasok ang kanyang unang free throw. Foul mula kay Arwin Santos.
Nakakatuwa mag-free throw si Derek Williams. Para may lakad lang eh. Tatlong dribble, wala na kasinta-sinta.
Halos nakangalati na po tayo dito sa fourth and final quarter. Sol Mercado wants to go one-on-one. Or does he? Here's Sol. Pinasa. Arwin. Arwin for three. Yes, sir!
Arwin's playing an excellent game. 21 points for Arwin Santos.
Ano yan ha? Mula simula. From the get-go.
Actually, he started the game with a dunk.
Ama. Yes. And I started with 6 straight points.
Yeah, and the Smart All-Stars countered with about 20 dunks.
About 19 and a half mula kay Javel McGee. Arwin, pinasa, Larry. Good pass para kay Arwin Santos. I mean, how many times can you say na ikaw si Arwin, nakascore ako laban kay Kevin Durant? Gaano mo kadalas pwede sabihin yun sa buong buhay mo, ano? And here's Derek Williams getting a nice pass mula kay Chris Paul. Ikaw ba, Jimmy, are you excited? Ikaw ba ay, ano ba, anxious ka na ba para bukas?
It's going to be a great opportunity to be playing for our national team against these quality type players. It's going to be a great afternoon tomorrow.
Are you more looking forward to scoring against these guys or getting dunked on by Javel McGee?
I'm definitely going to be aware of where JaVale McGee is tomorrow.
Kasi para iiwas ka na.
Wala naman problema pag tumalon sa iyo yun eh.
Almost but not quite. Para kay Kevin Durant. 4:42 remaining. At ito, timeout po requested by PBA All-Stars head coach John Reyes. And the crowd continues to chant. Well, you can hear what they're chanting and you know what they want. We'll be back. Back inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa pagpapatuloy ng fourth and final quarter. Fingers business, Tinpin. Gusto yata maging All-Star MVP ni Arwin Santos. Hinahabol pa eh. May hinahabol to 25 points for Arwin. Here's Derek Williams. Kick out para kay Chris Paul. And that's a miss. Gary David. Akala yata ni Gary David, kakapin niya si Javel McGee. Wrong team. Kevin Durant ngayon, may tanga ng bola.
That's gotta be one of the ugliest alley-oop passes I've ever seen. Two hands na parang 1 metro lang ang layo ng dalawa.
Under 4 minutes remaining and Larry gets the layup.
Larry Bosch.
Alam mo, balita ko we are being watched by sports writers even from the United States. So, welcome guys, and we hope you're enjoying basketball Philippine style. This is how much the Philippines love basketball. And here's Durant and the guys here, the All-Stars from the U.S., loving every second and every minute of it.
Kaya pala pumupukpok si Arwin. Nag-a-apply sa abroad. Kaya gusto maging MVP.
Ito isang napakagandang Maynila 3-point shot mula kay Arwin Santos. Miko Alili kasama pa rin Jimmy Alapagan, Jason Webb. Also joining us, Magu Marjon and Angelicopter.
And I just heard mutik daw ma-overweight si Kevin Durant.
Bakit? Sa airport.
Sa airport. Dahil yung ginamit niya naman na bagahe,
Ginawa niya backpack.
yung backpack parang na ginagamit niya.
Chris Paul with a nifty move at score po natin 127-99. Less than 3 minutes remaining dito po sa fourth and final quarter. And Sol Mercado trying to shake off ball. Mercado, pinasa, Pingris, pinasa, Gary David. Gary David goes in.
Kailangan,
Ako si Magui nandyan na ulit.
kailangan
Oh, no.
ipasa dahil may rest back sa gitna.
Oh no. Here's Paul. That was intended for Magui. And here's Gary David. Hinahabol ni Tyreek Evans. And Gary David.
Like I said, for all the guys that likes to play in the open court, si Gary David number 1.
I want to say that this event is unmatched, unparalleled, at hindi na mauulit. Hindi na mauulit sa bukas eh. Alauna po ng hapon dito pa rin sa Big Dome. Here's Jason Castro outside Sol Mercado. 2 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Kevin Durant. Oh! But James Harden.
James Harden's got 33 points.
Here's Castro. Jason Castro's fourth point. Chris Paul with 9 points. Oh. Kevin Durant with a miss. Durant with 22. And I don't know what Sol Mercado had in mind really. Hindi ko, sorry po hindi ko po alam anong plano niya doon. Pasensya na.
I think that was an alley-oop to my teammate Larry Conisher.
That's exactly what we were saying. When did Larry ever get an alley-oop?
Tonight might have been the first.
JaVale McGee, by the way, with 25 points. I think 26 coming from dunks. Under a minute remaining in this sport spectacular. A lot of memories made in this game. At ito na, paubos ang oras dito. Kevin Durant holding on to the basketball. Great first half mula kay Kevin Durant. 20 points in the first 2 quarters. See, I really don't know what ano ang plano ni Sol Mercado. And here we go. JaVale McGee. Oh! Maybe we should give him 2 basketballs. Maybe we should extend the time because he missed. I'm sure people would want that one. Alam namin, the feeling is that you hope a game like this never ends, but it has to. The memories will never end, I'm sure. Para po sa mga nanood dito sa loob ng Big Dome, para po sa mga nanood sa Active on IBC, para sa mga naglaro, para sa mga VIP katulad ni dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada, para sa aking mga katabi, Jimmy Alapag and Jason Webb. This is quite an experience of a lifetime. Ang final score po natin sa Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend Part 1, 131-105. Jimmy, your thoughts?
Unbelievable show by the Smart All-Stars and also the PBA All-Stars. Again, it was just a great night for Philippine basketball, and we still have one more day to look forward to.
Biko, when you look at the score, Smart All-Stars 131, PBA All-Stars 105, you'll say panalo ang Smart All-Stars dahil nanalo sila sa putos. Pero sa katulutuluhan, panalo po Pilipinas dahil dumating ang mga All-Stars, mga sikat na manlalaro. Napanood ng live dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum at napanood nyo rin dito sa Active on IBC.
At kilalanan natin ang ating Metro Pacific Tollways or alamin natin ang ating Metro Pacific Tollways fast break play. Tapos si Gary David. Yan ang Metro Pacific Tollways fast break plays sa game po natin. We'll be back with more from the Big Dome matapos ang ilang paalala. Okay, ito po ang final score. The Smart All-Stars winning over the PBA All-Stars 131-105 at that was quite a show. Samantala, ito po ang ating Philex Best Player of the Game at pati na rin ang ating Gatorade High Point of the Game. Tampok po. Nanay! There goes that man! Javel Magi with the 25 points and 1,000 slam dunks. So we'll be back with more dito sa Big Dome. Matapos ang ilang pala. Okay, nagbabalik po kami with our remaining moments po dito. Muli po final score, 131 para sa Smart All-Stars at 105 para sa PBA All-Stars. Ang ating Philex Best Player of the Game, binigay po natin kay Javel Magi. 25 points, 12 rebounds, 6 blocks. Jimmy, it was the Javel Magi show.
He put on an amazing show. He had all the fans here in the Arnetta Coliseum, the Smart Arnetta Coliseum, rocking.
What is
right
that
from
move? Ano yun? What is that?
Parang dugong lang eh.
Siya ang Philex Best Player of the Game. Jason, your thoughts, final thoughts dito sa naganap no na Smart Ultimate Weekend. Part 1 pa lamang to.
It was definitely an ultimate experience for us and for the fans that are here today. But let's give credit to the fans na nagpunta dito. Pumila sila ng ilang oras para makapasok dito. They came in maybe about 6 hours earlier. Under the rain, pumipila na sila. They got here, but it was worth it because the PBA All-Stars and the Smart All-Stars gave them a show that was definitely an ultimate dream.
Show to remember. Pero part 1 po lamang to ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Jimmy, bakit di mo imbitahin ang mga basketball fans no na manood sa Active at panoorin yung laban bukas, Smart All-Stars versus Smart Gilas?
Yes, to all the fans here in Manila, sana kita tayo bukas here at 1 p.m. The Smart Gilas against the Smart All-Stars. So we're looking forward and sana kita tayo dito sa Smart Arnetta Coliseum.
At kitang-kita mo na yung kumpiyansa ni Jimmy dahil napanood niya na yung kalaban niya.
Na-scout na po.
Na-scout niya na.
Na-scout na.
Oo, kinakausap kami ni Jimmy eh. Sabi niya, kayang-kaya na namin yan. Napanood na namin. May game tape na daw sila.
Oh, sabi ni Jimmy sa amin ni Jason, you know guys, my man, tatauhin ko, Javel Magi. Ako babansay dyan. Sabi ni Jimmy kanina, bukas po yan, alauna, ang telecast po natin is 5:30 po ng hapon. At wag po natin kakalimutan, we have a big fight tomorrow, Jason. Big fight po to Amir King Khan going up against Zab Judah. 10:30 po ng umaga sa TV5 at sa Action Channel 41 para sa ating big time bakbakan. That's a great fight. At tapos po sa hapon, mapapanood niyo po part 2 ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. The Smart All-Stars, Kobe, Kevin Durant, D. Rose, CP3, Tyreek, Javel Magi, the rest of the guys going up against our men's national team, ang Smart Gilas. We hope you enjoyed our live coverage mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. This was unreal. It is unmatched and unparalleled. We've had other American basketball stars come over, but not this way, not like this, not this way. Talaga pong kakaiba ang naging karanasan ng mga nanood dito ngayong gabi. And I look forward to the big crowd again tomorrow. Kobe Bryant pleased with what he sees. Sabi ni Chris Paul, siya mismo ay nagulantang sa init ng pagtanggap ng Filipino basketball fans. Let's do this again tomorrow, guys. Good night from the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
This special event was presented to you by Smart and MVP Sports Foundation. Also brought to you by PLDT, Meralco, TV5, Gatorade. Maynila Metro Pacific Tollways, Philex Mining Corporation, Metro Pacific Investments, PS Bank Auto Loan, Smart Araneta Coliseum, Bulldog Shoes, Super Glue, and Water Stop Wet and Dry Sealant, Clear for Men Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, Chevrolet, Blackwater, KFC Tower Burger, Voice Combo Sandwich, Petron Blaze, Centrum, Vaseline Men Face Scrub, EDSA Shangri-La Manila, and Pizza Hut with media partners, The Philippine Star and Philippine Daily Inquirer.